Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the 3 different ways to find your SIM phone number on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So first, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go all the way down and then tap on about phone. In here it will show your phone number at the top, and this is the first method. The second method is if you open up the phone app from your home screen, and in the phone app, tap on your contact at the top, and in here you should be able to find your phone number as well. So that is the second method. And the third method is to swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. In here, if you tap on connections at the top, and then you go down and tap on SIM card manager, and at the top here it will show your SIM card with the phone number. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.